My name is Alex Hayes, and I am a Level 3 Kodály student. I'm finishing with my master's this summer. I chose CSU's program because I could teach and do the program. That was the most important thing to me. So I love that I can come for 2 weeks during the summer and that everything else is during the school year.
My name is Kate Klotz, and I am a master's student in the Kodaly program at Colorado State, and I teach elementary music in Colorado. Kodaly program gives you a really clear sequence, and it gives you a lot of really clear objectives of how to go back to your classroom and what to do with your kids and what the best child development approach is for your children.
The program really taught me how to teach those concepts, the musical concepts that the students really need to become those great musicians and to become the musicians of tomorrow that we want them to be.
It supplemented a lot of what I learned in my undergraduate degree. Once I got into the classroom and you run out of ideas and you need something else for your kids, and so it filled kind of a gap in my knowledge.
One of my favorite things about these 2 weeks is that we actually get to work with real students. We had 4th and 5th graders come in and work with us. They respond so differently than your peers do. Your peers will get it the first time, but actually seeing the kids reacting and working through those maybe tricky spots was really valuable to me.
I look forward to coming to the on-campus portion every summer. It's so great to be with the people that you study with every summer, and the professors and the teachers are so wonderful and encouraging but challenging at the same time. And I think for me, it's just a great way to really immerse myself in my work. I always leave Kodály feeling so inspired and so excited to go back and try new things with my kids, and like I have more power in my ability to teach because I've done so much work to prepare.
Prior to joining this program, I was teaching my students and they were enjoying music, but I wasn't really connecting with them. Now I feel like I can really teach them and they can sing and play and have fun, but they can also take those skills and create and improvise and make the music their own.
I'm really passionate about working with younger children and developing musicians, and so I've really enjoyed being able to focus my energy on those skills.